Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got a package and I'm just gonna open it real quick because I am eager to open it. So this person I follow on Instagram, and I've been watching her posts and everything, and she has a beautiful greenhouse with all kinds of cactus. So I asked her if she sells any of her plants because she also grows them herself, and she said yes. I'm like, okay, great. So I'm excited to see here, and I'm gonna post all her information down below. Look, and she has labels. She told me to be careful with it. Okay, let me see. Look, it has a name. Okay, look at this. That's the name of this beautiful. On Instagram, she posted the flowers of it, so I'm not sure. These are already flowered. Let me open this one real quick and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. So pretty. I really love the ripples in it, and yeah, it's a real beauty. So she grew this herself. I think that's so amazing. And then there is another one. Let me gently place it here. You can see that that's a little seed pod from where it flowered. So yeah. So I believe there is a little one more. Look at that. That's the name of this one. So let me open it and show you guys what it looks like. So here's this one. It is too cute. I am so glad that she gives you the labels like this. So now I can just put it in the pot and always have the name. So yeah, I'm super excited. Thank you so much. This is my first time ordering for her, and I am so happy and pleased with my order. I'm going to be linking down all information down below. You have to message her because she doesn't have a link. So you have to message her and see what she has available, and then yeah, you just communicate with her and purchase. Thank you so much, Donnie. Everything about it is beautiful. I love it, and I'm so thankful that you were so kind and willing to sell to me. Thank you. Hey guys, I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you. Bye.